Today I am coming with a new review. This is Corsair CV 450 model ATX power supply. It is 80 plus bronze certified, and there is the cover and is the back cover, and there is some details given there how it performance is, and so all details are given back side of the boxes, and there is the trademark, securities, certified, and their product code and details about its ATX, EPS, PCL, SATA, PATA, and SATA. All it is already given in the boxes. Now I am unboxing it. Here is our wonderful power supply. At first I see a important information, that means paperwork, and nicely covered up, nicely packaged also. Important information, and this is the power cord. You can connect this, and this is very heavy power cord, and it's have good weight also. It seems high quality. Definitely it's high quality. And there is a screw for PCU screw that your power supply unit you can attach with your casing, and that is our Corsair CV 400 ATX power supply. I am giving you a close view, and there is another close view. This is the power connection port, and this is a black power switch. Just wonderful. See, this lining, all are nicely packaged. Now it's time to see our connection port. Oh, it is SATA port. SATA port given. This is our important connection ports. These are nicely covered up with nylon layer. See, it's nylon layer cover line, and it's a normal layer because it's just a SATA port. And that is our power supply. Thanks for watching.